Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to turn off Google Assistant in your phone Moto G04. If you long press on the home button, Google Assistant will open. If you want to deactivate or turn off this Google Assistant, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to gestures, then go to navigation mode, and here select this 3 button navigation and click on the settings button and turn off this button. Hold home for assistant. Now long press on home button. There will be no Google Assistant open. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off Google Assistant from navigation button itself. Okay, if you turn on this button, if you long press here, Google Assistant will open. Okay, so to turn off Google Assistant, just use this option. Go to button navigation and turn off hold home for assistant. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.